Students, welcome to MGM Education. This is economics. We are going to study about a new concept, demand curve. माने चाहिदा रेखा. So first question is, what is demand curve? Answer: graph द्वारा graphical representation or presentation of demand is known as demand curve. चाहिदा को रेखा माध्यम रे व्याख्या करिबा चाहिदा रेखा. ठीक अछि. Now you see how you have to draw. वो x axis रे तमे नेल चाहिदा, वो y रे नेल तमे प्राइस और डिमांड. राइट. एबे देखो D होची तमरो डिमांड कर्व, sloping downwards. How it is sloping? Downwards. See, DOWNWARDS. Downward sloping. देखो पिला माने एक थिला बेले चाहिदा 5, राइट. सो 5 थिला बेले चाहिदा 1 थिला बेले देखो दर 5 थिला बेले 1 हो जाउची, दर 1 थिला बेले 5 हो जाउची. सो कनेक्ट करबा को DD आसीबो. DD होची चाहिदा रेखा. तो पिला मन इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन एटा, व्हाट इज डिमांड कर्व बोली पचारता अछि. 1 मार्क पळे खाली एतिकी लिखिबो. रेखा माध्यम रे geographical representation of demand, or sorry, graphical representation of demand is known as demand curve. Here we study the relationship between price and demand. When the price rises, demand falls. So the demand curve slopes downward. Okay? एतिक लिखिबो पिला माने. 3 मार्क जदि पढला बेले मीनिंग लिखिबो, ए ग्राफ करिवो, ग्राफ रे DD रेखा केमति निम्नगामी होची बोलिया जिंस टिके दर्शाइ दबो. Okay students, so this is an important question of economics, law of demand link over. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much. Please like and share your friends.